Alright guys, here we go. This is something I've been waiting on for a long time now. It's actually been on back order for over a year due to the pandemic and some of the fears in the market. But we're going to take a look at it today. This is the Charles Daly 410 shotgun upper. Alright, here we've got the, let's see some of the instructions. This is the upper. It does come with sights. And this is for your buffer spring. You do need to use this. Don't try to use the one that's already in your lower. There you go. It'll discuss the type of ammunition you need to use. You do need to check it because all your 2.5-inch shells are not going to be the same, so you do need to check that. Make sure they do fit. Comes with, it's got a parts breakdown in it. It's nice. Here. This is where I purchased it. Grab a gun. I'd say it's pretty well packed. Here with this sleeve. Good thing about uppers, they will ship them right to you. Alright, so we'll take a look at it here. I really like this barrel shroud. I think that's really sharp. Look, it does have a dust cover and a charging handle. Has sights already installed, flip up sights. Comes with your charging handle and your bolt. You do need this bolt. Here's to be a pretty nice beefy bolt design here. You can see the this part of the recoil system in here. You can see the springs in here. Don't know if that barrel shroud comes off or not. I also do not believe, you can see in there, I don't believe that this has interchangeable chokes. I believe this is only a full choke design. Some of the other models do have interchangeable chokes, but this one does not. If you're trying to figure out where your buffer is, it's actually down inside there. That's the weight. I thought there would have been a better place to put that. Sometimes you'll be like, oh, I didn't get it, but you did. They just got it hit in there. There. You have to use that with your spring. Alright guys, here's everything you're going to receive with your 410 upper. It's Charles Daly. You're going to get your buffer weight that you have got to use. You have to use this. You'll get a charging handle and bolt for your 410, and you'll get a complete upper with flip up sights. Like I said, it does not have interchangeable chokes, so it is a full choke barrel. But this is how it came. I believe, I will have to double check, but I believe this was, I think it was $323 shipped to me. And I actually got this near the end of the pandemic, so it took a while. I had it on back order before everything went crazy, and it was over a year. I believe it was 14 months I had it back ordered. So if I had it to do over again, I probably would have bought 2 of these, because when they told me they had it and they were shipping it out, I went in there and I tried to get another one, but they sold out immediately, so I didn't get a chance. So I've just got the one, and I have another one on back order that I may see now that this pandemic's just about over. I may see it shortly. We'll see what happens. All right, guys, here's some of the things I pulled out of some of the stuff I keep around for just this type of thing. Lowers have been hard to come by, so I actually bought quite a few of these when they popped up from. I like to get these local, but since my local guys have not had any for some time now, oh look, my wife will have another sticker. That'll make her happy. I bought these pre-assembled Ar15 Upper or lowers from Sportsman's Guide. I believe they were $112, I think. So I bought a few of these, and I bought one complete one. This is actually during the pandemic, so that when they popped in, I was pretty happy about it. I went ahead and grabbed some because I do like to build rifles. I try to build all my own rifles, and the reason for that is I can do more of what I want to do and get into these rifles reasonably. So, you know us, we're all about budget, and we try to find as much value in budget items as we can. Of course, I like the original Magpul Mo grips, so I'll be using that. And the same thing with the stock. I actually got a recoil pad for this. I don't know where it is right now, but I'll try to find it. And I'm going with just a traditional Ar15 buffer tube assembly and kit. Like I said, this is the part that you're going to take out, and you'll replace it with the one for the shotgun. Now, this shotgun upper will fit on any AR-15 style lower. So you know, if you have another rifle laying around and you want to use the lower for this, then you can. You don't have to have a separate one. I just like to keep them separate because, yeah, I don't know why I do that, but I just do it for convenience, I guess. But I can't show you guys how to put this together because of YouTube's rules. So what I'll do is I'll get everything assembled, and then we'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like while it's together. All right, guys, we're back. We've got it assembled. I said here's a buffer tube assembly I used. It's Ar15. Magpul, just a Mo stock. Same thing, Magpul Mo grip. Nothing fancy. This is the original 223-556 buffer weight. Like I told you, you have to replace it with the one that comes with the upper. So here's our book, which we did not use. And it comes with a 5-round magazine. Fits fairly good in there. The Ar15 upper and lower fit very tight. There's no wobble or play in there. But this is what we got here. Now a completed shotgun. I would consider this a budget and a high value build on this little rifle here. I said the The upper from Grab a Gun was $323 shipped to the house here. Includes the sights. We're going to have to take them out here and get these adjusted, I'm sure. I got the assembled lower minus the buffer tube and the furniture here from Sportsman's Guide. I think it was $112 shipped. And the Magpul stock set, I got these from AIM Surplus, I believe. And I don't really remember what I paid for them. I want to say $35, I think, is what I paid for the set. All right, guys. So my wife decided to tell me that that was $470. So that's what we have in this 410 AR shotgun. Come in, tax tag, title out the door, guys. Under 500 bucks. That's how I like to do my builds. I think I did good on it. I do want to take it out, and we will take it out. Not today because I'm busy with other stuff, but we'll take it out. We'll do a little video. Show you how it feeds and what shells it likes, and we'll get the sights set, and we'll follow up with it. But looks like I think it's a very nice looking shotgun build for what it is and for the price. I mean, it's hard to beat, and it's a 410. I actually built this for my wife and my son and my daughter to use. My son already has a 410 shotgun, but I want him to, to have something a little more in the AR platform, because they are learning this platform, and I think it's good to introduce them to some other calibers that this versatile platform allows you to use. And I said they're really, with all the advancements and the different people getting into the market, these rifles are getting better and better every day, and the value is there. You can build a really nice rifle, and you don't have to spend a lot of money. So just hopefully this video helps you guys out. Maybe you'll see something that we missed. If you did, just leave it in the comments. We're always appreciative of comments. If you like our video, please like and subscribe. Share it with your friends, and help us build this channel, guys. That's why we're here. We're trying to help people out. All right, thank you, guys.